Hey guys, this is Snowball. I'm here with Keith. We're gonna put these True Hearts cameras on, and gonna really, I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's go. Who that?
Who that?
Who that?
Who that?
You. Who that?
It's me.
Who's me?
It's Keith.
Keith who? Keith the who? Keith the who? Trying to clean up the side of it. So we're gonna install these camera kits. Woo! Yeah, True Heart. Alright, the tires are off. Completely off. Just the rear. So I'm gonna have to get on the ground. I wore the wrong pants color today. Okay. What the heck? What the sheepish dish? What is this? Alright, so we know which one it is. Is that one right there? This one right here. So we're gonna try to figure out how to take it off. He's on the move. It's so windy.
You should take that off.
What? That? Okay.
There you go.
So the usual, Kevin. Yup, he's one of the project leaders. There's Keith, and then there's Bruce. Bruce is actually not a part of us. He's with Diverse. Whew. This is the first time you guys saw Bruce's car in the daytime. It's really clean.
Oh, you see his new rotors?
His rotors? Oh, yeah, shoot.
He replaced them.
Dang, Bruce, you got money. Hell. Really? Huh, don't lie to me like that. Come on.
Kevin said W, yeah.
There's a piece of my car you guys haven't seen yet. I just put it on. It's just a hood bra. But man, I like it. Like it. Whew. Yeah, I know. The guy kind of messed that up. It's plastic dip. It's okay. Whoosh. Woo. Say what's up.
Hi YouTube. I'm gonna go get gas.
Right now?
Yeah. Y'all still here, right?
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Okay.